If you opted for the contactless check-in, you need to verify the guest's identity for most trips. The best way to do so is through CarSync automated messages. As required by TURO, ask your guest to upload to the Trip Photos, a section of the TURO app, a close-up of their driver's license and a photo of themselves holding their license next to their face. In this particular message example, we'll explain the trip photo requirements and the guide to upload photos to the TURO app. Our automated message can continue with an explanation of the contactless check-in and the process that should be followed. To avoid lengthy explanations and descriptions, provide examples. Click on the Trip Photos field and select a mock-up selfie with a driver's license next to the renter's face, or simply drag and drop the photo into the designated area. Schedule your message and the photos will be uploaded to TURO's Trip Photos section as part of the automation. As a host is supposed to message the guest within 24 hours before the trip starts to confirm their license and identity, we'll schedule the template 15 hours before the reservation starts. Once you hit the Publish Changes button, the template is set up. Thanks for using the CarSync app.